Today I want to show you guys this bird feeder. The brand sent it to me to make a video for you guys. As you see, this has built-in camera. It has night vision and you can see what's going on. Once a bird come here, you will receive a notification from the application and you can see it has built-in AI functions that it identifies different species, but you need to subscribe for the service after the trial, and you can place large dose like cube uh, bird feeders. You can do put inside, and you also have this. You can place fruit, vegetables on it, and over here it has this area. You can easily also take this out. It is like a squirrel guard. You can remove this as well. It comes off. You would just take this off and you will be able to take it, and you can just push it back. So that is pretty cool. Actually, you can just, let me show you guys. You can see it just comes out and you can just take it off, and you can see you have very easy installation. You just need to put two screws for the main bracket. It is very sturdy, so you can just place it the main unit and secure it with a nice large kind of knob. You can easily turn it, and you can also change the angle. Once you make it little loose, you can also change the angle of the feeder. So that is pretty cool feature. Over here you have the solar panel to charge. I just put one screw over here, and it comes with this strap if you want to just secure it around a tree without making a hole. So you can do that. Once you guide through the bracket, you can strap it around the tree. Comes with this antenna to boost the Wi-Fi signal. As you see, it has nice large opening to easily fill the food. Once you close here, you will see it will just stay in its place, and it's waterproof. It's not gonna damage the food inside. So overall, really nice, very cool looking bird feeder. I hope you guys found this useful.